Hello, in this video I will show you how to do calendar sharing in Office 365. In this demonstration I'll be using Outlook 2013 and sharing a calendar to 2010, but the process is the same for either version. So inside of Outlook I go to Calendar, and then I want to right click a calendar that I want to share. So I'm going to share the one called Calendar and go down to Share and then Share Calendar. It's going to open up an email, and then I pick the email address I want to send it to. And then here you can adjust the permissions. There's an option to request permission to view recipient's calendar, allow recipient to view your calendar, which you do want. This one needs to be checked, and it will be by default. And here you can choose the details if you want to show only your availability, or limited details, or full details. For this demonstration I'm going to do full details so you can see the full calendar. And then you click send and say yes. Now that calendar is shared, I'm going to open my other mailbox, which is in this case Outlook 2010. And go to mail and wait for the invitation to come through. And there it just came through. And on top of the email you'll see a little button that says open this calendar. And you want to click on that. And that automatically installs a calendar for you. So you notice on the left here I have a group called Shared Calendars, and below that says Adam Smagala, which is the same one I just shared. And as you can see on the right, there is my calendar. So here's today's date, and since I have full control, I can add a task in my calendar. I'll call it test. So as you can see on my shared calendar, I added that entry because I have permissions added. If I go back to the main calendar, you can see I have an item called test. The only way to allow others to modify your calendar is to adjust your permissions. And to do that, you right click on your calendar that you've shared, and you go to Share and Calendar Permissions. And here's where you choose who has access to what. So I added support, which is the email address I sent to, and I made that permission level owner so they have full control. But you can modify any of these. They are all slightly different permissions, but you can also give users whatever permissions you like. And that's how you do calendar sharing.